Good evening all, this is Patricia and I am traveling for history. I'm at the Shelburnemuseum this evening, and what we see in front of us is the Vergennes one-room schoolhouse. It was moved here in 1946, and it is the first building that was moved here. Where it was originally in Vergennes was on land leased from General Samuel Strong, who was a Revolutionary War officer. And let's go ahead and head inside to take a look-see at this place. Speaking as someone who taught for about 20 years, never in a one-room schoolhouse though, it's, wow. I mean, I've seen this place a lot over the years, but look how old these are. But you know, when I think of older school desks, I do think of these because I had this kind, well, not this style, but definitely the kind that you would lift up the lid. I bet you a lot of folks my age can remember that. And these, of course, it looks like you sit two kids at these desks. Oh, they have these this open shelf down there, and chalkboards. You know, I thought they'd gotten rid of all the chalkboards in schools, like Vermont schools, easily, but no, I have seen chalkboards. I haven't been a substitute teacher in a lot of years, nor even a teacher. It's been over 10 years since I last taught, but still. School bell, calling those kids back in from the playground. Recess is over. Lunch is over. Let's see. Notice all clock watchers. Time passes, but will you? Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. Holy crap, I haven't heard some of these in a very long time. We grow too soon old and too late smart. After all is said and done, more is said than done. What you are to be, you are now becoming. Think before you ink. It's a British school saying, apparently. One today is worth two tomorrow. I mean, perhaps like bird in hand is worth more than two in the bush. Never speak of a man's virtues before his face or his faults behind his back. Interesting stuff. And wood wainscoting all the way around. Wood stove. Ventilated out the back there. Have no fear of tomorrow. God is always there. Say, well is good. Do well is better. Today is the tomorrow that you worried about yesterday. It is not how long, but how well we live. Isn't that true? A friend is like a rare book of which but one copy is made. Peace flourishes when reason rules. Virtue is the only true nobility. I remember a lot of those sayings. Imagine you do as well. Can you tell me, I was here on June 12th. What does it say, 1992? 1972? I think it's 1992. Love to know what they found in these walls. Preservation in progress. Museum painters are restoring the windows for the museum. The process involves removing sash to the paint shop, stripping and reglazing the windows and repainting them, reinstalling the sash and the window opening. Thanks for your interest and patience as we maintain and improve the campus. We appreciate that. Ooh, little boots. Alrighty, well, this is definitely the schoolhouse here at Shelburnemuseum. How cool is this? And I'm Patricia, traveling for history. Until I see you again, I hope you have the fabulous rest of your day. I do appreciate your watching. Thanks so much. Bye now.